Mohawk College Library offers students extensive electronic resources. Let's start by accessing the site. The web address is library.mohawkcollege.ca. Once on the library's website, you'll see a number of different ways to access information. In this video, we'll focus on searching for magazines and publications through the eJournal portal. Clicking on the eJournal portal button takes you to a search page. From here, you have 4 different options for locating a journal or magazine. You can search by title or ISSN. You can browse eJournals by title. You can browse eJournals by subject, or you can search using the Digital Object Identifier number. We'll take a closer look at the first 3 of these options. If you choose to do a title search, you have 4 options. Title begins with, title equals, title contains all words, or ISSN equals. Let's do a search for title begins with library. You can see that there are 27 magazines or journals that begin with the word library. What happens if we switch that to title equals library? There are no journals that have the word only library in the title. Now let's look at what happens when we choose title contains all words and type in library. This time, 110 magazine and journal titles were retrieved because it includes all titles that have the word library, not just those that begin with it. If you know the ISSN number of your magazine, search that for an exact result. As you can see, we've retrieved the Journal of Library and Information Sciences. If you feel like browsing Mohawk's extensive collection of eJournals, you can do so by choosing a letter. Let's start with C. As you can see, there are 4,028 records of journals beginning with the letter C. These are broken down, much like an encyclopedia would be, to help you navigate through them. However, be warned, there are thousands and thousands of titles to browse through, so it'll take a lot of time. A great way to discover new magazines, though. If you don't have quite that much time, but still want to discover new titles, you can narrow your search by subject. Click on the drop-down arrow to find a list of subjects. Here's social sciences. You can see that our subject is further subdivided, and there we have library and information science. With 396 journals related to library and information science, you're sure to find new and interesting titles with this kind of search. Once you've found your journal title, you may see a number of different databases it's available from. Choose the database you prefer working with to carry on. This is where we log in to continue. And you'll be taken to the publication details for Library Journal. On the right-hand side, you can scroll through issues by year and month. If you're not sure of where your information is, you can choose to search within this publication. From this point forward, all your searching will be much the same as it would be in any other database. Hope you've learned something about using the eJournal portal. Thanks for watching.